Good day, viewers. The genius of my must welcome you to today's episode again. If you look at the question on the board, we are talking about we are still under the statistics. So here in this question, we are asked to find the mean deviation. So in order for you to find the mean deviation, don't be convinced. If you look at this question closely again, you will agree with me that this question here does not include frequency. You are only given a raw data whereby you are asked to calculate the mean deviation. And the formula for calculating the mean deviation here is summation absolute value x minus x bar absolute value everything over what over n. I have told you that the meaning of this summation here, the meaning of this symbol here means summation, which means addition, and the n here means the number of given digits. That is the meaning of the n. But don't forget that the symbol for mean, because mean has a symbol, so the symbol for mean here is what is x bar. That is the symbol for mean. So in this now, before we can calculate the mean deviation, this is the table for mean deviation. But before we can calculate the mean deviation, we need to know our mean, which happens to be what x bar first. So how do we do that now? Normal, we have mean is equal to, so I need to add all of this number together and divide it by the number of given data. So this will give 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 everything over 1 2 3 4. Okay, plus 3 rather, plus 3. So making it 5. So 2 plus 4, that is 6. 6 plus 6, that is 12. 12 plus 5, that is 17. So 17 plus 3. 17 plus 3, that is 20. So here we have 20 over 5, and 20 upon 5 will give us 4. So therefore now the mean, the x bar here now is what is 4. That is the x bar. So the x bar here now is 4. Now come back to the mean deviation table. How do you go about this? Now don't forget that your your x are all of these values. So here in order to get x minus x bar, so what do? I have my x here is 2, while my x bar is what is 4. So 2 minus 4, that will give me minus 2. So 4 minus 4, that will give me 0. So 6 minus 4, that will give me 2. 5 minus 4, so that will give me 1. And 3 minus 4, that will give me minus 1. Now when you now come back to this absolute value x minus x bar, the meaning of this, it is called modulus. So you don't want to call it absolute value, you call it modulus. So here now, whenever you see this sign, it means you have to negate, you have to ignore the negative value given to you. So if you negate this negative, you have 2, this will become 3, this will become 2, this will become 1, this will also become 1. Don't forget what I said, that whenever you see this symbol like this, what do you have to do? It is called absolute, or you call it modulus. So what do? You ignore the minus in front of any number given to you. So now summation absolute value x minus x bar absolute. So this will give me, if I add all of this together now, this will give 2 plus 2, that is 4, right? So 4 plus 1, that is 5. 5 plus 1, that is 6. So come back to the formula here. MD is equals to summation absolute value x minus x bar absolute value everything over n. So here I have the solution of this now gives me 6 over, so what is the number of given data? That is 5. So 6 upon 5, this will be 1.2. So the main derivation in this now is what is 1.2. So make sure you study it carefully. So in our next episode, we'll be looking at the variance of ordinary data like this. So don't forget to share, like, comment, and even follow. And most especially, hit the subscribe button so that by the time we drop new episode of it, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you. Mass my word.